We are thrilled to introduce the MetaPerson Creator Desktop version, built in Unity, now available with its complete source code. This release empowers you to tailor the MetaPerson Creator to your unique requirements. You have the freedom to integrate its scenes into your applications, update the UI to reflect your style, and customize the functionality to meet your needs. The MetaPerson Creator project, designed to run on Unity 2021.3 or higher using the built-in rendering pipeline, is adaptable to various platforms. While it's primarily optimized for WebGL applications, you can also create standalone applications for Windows or macOS. Please note that file selection is not supported on these platforms, so you'll need to implement this feature independently. If you're developing a mobile or VR application, you will have to adjust UI and rendering settings to optimize performance. For these platforms, integrating the MetaPerson Creator web page via a WebView component is a recommended approach. For detailed guidance, we have a range of video tutorials available to support you. To start, extract the archive containing the MetaPerson Creator project and open it in Unity. You will first see an authentication window where you need to enter your account credentials, which can be found on the Avatar SDK developer page. To reopen the authentication window, go to the Avatar SDK and Authentication menus. Open the MetaPerson Creator main scene in the Scenes directory and run it in the Unity editor. Select a photo to generate an avatar. Once the avatar is ready, you can customize it by changing outfits, haircuts, adding glasses, and more. Any changes you make to the avatar's appearance are saved, allowing you to reopen and modify the same avatar when you rerun the scene. You can export an avatar from the viewer scene by pressing the button in the top right corner. By default, the avatar is exported in GLB format with 1K JPEG textures at the first level of detail and packed in a zip archive. To change these parameters, open the MetaPerson Creator main scene and select the Model Exporter object under MetaPerson Creator Manager. You can adjust the export parameters in the inspector window. To build it into a WebGL application, open Build Settings and switch the platform to WebGL. Make sure that both scenes are selected, MetaPerson Creator Main and MetaPerson Creator Viewer. After that, press Build and Run and select an output directory. Once the build is completed, the apps page is opened in the default browser. Your custom version of the MetaPerson Creator is ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the Avatar SDK channel to stay updated with our latest video tutorials.